Hello everyone, my name is VISHWAS. I am first semester CSE student from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. So my product name is Flexi Compute. My startup company name is Expert Technology and my product name is Flexi Compute. This is my company logo. Feedback collecting during empathy, mentioning some of requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customer during empathizing activity. First one is user-centric customization, means understanding the unique needs of user by offering scalable resources like CPU, GPU, memory to match their workload requirements. Second one is cost-effective solution, means affordable price or budget-friendly. Third one is seamless accessibility, means enable easy access to computing power across devices, ensuring inclusivity for user with varying technical expertise. Fourth one is real-time support, offer proactive customer support to address unexpected issues or spike in demand, ensuring minimal disruption to users' work. Define an ideal stage. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. So the features to be added, scalable AI training platforms, remote work optimization, IoT device management, and adaptive research platforms. So the futuristic name of my product is FlexiCore. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to term constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. So the sketch is given below. This is my flexi compute sketch. Testing. As actual working model are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as a positive comments required for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.